Hi, welcome to my new out of the water photography series on YouTube, and the main reason behind it is we're in tier 4 lockdown now. It's the start of January. I get bored really easily and running out of ideas of things to do around the house, although I have on my notice board here got a massive list of things to do. Did the same last lockdown, none of them got done, so I decided to put to use some of the skills I've learned, some of the kit that I've got, inspired by a good mate of mine, Dermot O'Donovan from Ireland. I've had him on my podcast in the past and he's a good mate of mine, quite a good inspiration for anyone who wants to get into photography. He makes some cracking videos on YouTube, so look him up, Dodd Photography on YouTube. He uses stills, time-lapse and drone footage to show certain parts of the scenery around him, whether it be on the coast or more inland in the hills. Makes some cracking videos, so I'm going to try and emulate that. I'm going to a place called Worthington Lakes. It's just around the corner from us. It's a reservoir and water treatment works. The sun hopefully will come up. It's 7 o'clock in the morning now, so I'm just going to go and defrost my van. I think it's about -2 degrees out there. Everywhere's frozen. We've still got the post-Christmas snow, so that might make some good footage, and we'll see how we get on. So let's go down now and just see just how bad it is. I think it's pretty bad out here, you can see. So I've just got in my van now, and it's just before 7. I hope you can see the temperature. Look at that. So I don't know if you can see me, but it's currently 7:20. It's -2. Sun's just coming up. Hopefully we can get set up with a time lapse just in time to get the sun coming up, and then we'll get the drone up. Some really nice footage of Worthington Lakes, where we're going now. Look at that, the moon's out as well. Right, so we've got here, this is Worthington Lakes, and we're going to set a little time lapse up, just done that in the corner there. And the sun's just about to come up now, hopefully you can see that. But still do a bit of moon bathing. If you look behind us there, you can see there's some moon. Still quite a full moon really. The water's not all frozen, so hopefully we'll get some good footage by setting up another time lapse on the water, or maybe some long exposures. There's quite a few ducks about, nobody about yet, and the sun's coming up nice, and the fact that it's quite snowy is really nice. So we'll just have to see, won't we, how we get on. It's not too cold. I've got my heated vest on. It's set to cold, well, the cooler setting now because it's absolutely dripping wet, but hopefully we'll not get any crowds rocking up before we start. But I'll take you over, show how I've set up this time lapse. Hopefully I've not ruined it by walking away of it too much. So this, I've put it on 2 tripods just to lift it off the ground a little bit, because I figured, you know, we can get a much better shot by having it off the ground for the kind of shot I want for the sunrise. So I'll try and focus in on this now. You can see I've got it on 2 tripods. It's moving 5-second intervals. So it's set up so you can get in there, see what picture we're taking. So I'm heading home now. I've done a couple of hours out here. Got up at 6:30. It's getting on for 9 o'clock now. It's warming up slightly. It's nice actually now. I've had the Northern Divers electric-core vest on, which is good. I've had to even turn it down because I got a bit warm. My wife called down, dropped me some toast off. How good's that of her? So I'm going to nip home, do the edit now. And hopefully now you've watched it, you quite enjoyed it and you appreciate what we've done. So if you have, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. And look forward to episode 2 of Above the Water. Photography in the making. See you on the next one.
See you on Insta.